Hello my friends, welcome to the Manu Education. My name is Surya sir and today in this particular video we'll talk in detail about the CMAT 2022. The best backup entrance exam guys. Why it is the best backup entrance exam? Because it is quite easy as compared to other MBA entrance exams. CAT is there and MAT, SNAP, MAT, ATMA, IFT, ZAT, बहुत सारे entrance exams है. But why CMAT? तो इसके पहले भी मैंने बहुत सारे videos बनाई है guys. We already make the videos with respect to the each respective college, their placement packages. Because CMAT एक काफी easy exam है. क्यों easy है guys? Because of its paper pattern. You will get a perfect set of 100 questions, जिसमें 25 questions will be there for each particular section. Okay, so guys, जब equal weightage होगा, then your difficulty level as is quite easy, but equal section will allow you जो आपके strong zones होंगे and even your weak zones, you can put equal efforts on both. So weak zones obviously जब 25 में से आप सिर्फ 15 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पा रहे हो, डेफिनेटली गाइस 10 क्वेश्चंस आपके नहीं सॉल्व हो रहे हैं. बट अगेन जब आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन है और वहां आप 25 में से 20 स्कोर कर रहे हो, अगेन यू आर गेटिंग मोर मार्क्स बिकॉज ये आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन है. बट आप एक इक्वल एफर्ट दे सकते हो जस्ट लाइक अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. अगर मैं कह दूं 75 क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम क्वांट and only 25 questions are from logical reasoning, and logical reasoning your strong zone, how much you can score? 20 to 25 or 75, this is your weak zone. Then how much you score? 25 to 30. Then guys, equal weightage plays a vital role in the entrance exam. So that's why you should target the CMAT as the best backup exam. CAT clear नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं guys, NMAT के लिए try करो. NMAT में भी आप crack नहीं कर पा रहे हो कोई बात नहीं guys, there are lot of entrance exams, but CMAT एक ऐसी एग्जाम है जहां आप IIM में तो नहीं जा सकते, बट डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द गुड कॉलेजेस सच एज द जनरल बजाज, केजे सोमैया, ग्रेट लेक्स, जिम गोवा, SIS एंड लॉट मोर कॉलेजेस आर देयर वो एक्सेप्ट द CMAT स्कोर. एंड CMAT से अगर जा रहे हो गाइस, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट पैकेजेस टू. सो बैचेस आर ऑलरेडी लॉन्च फॉर द प्रिपरेशन. एंड what exactly you will get in the amalgam relay batch? This is the course where you will get books or study materials which will be delivered within 7 working days at your home. You will get access for the mock test series with respect to topic tests, section wise tests and the full length mock test. And full length mock test, it is complete replica of your CMAT entrance exam. So CMAT, it is conducted by NTA. All guys, once again I'm saying it is quite easy exam because 25 questions will be there from English, 25 from the logical reasoning, 25 from the GK, and the 25 questions from the quant. Overall 100 questions for 400 marks. Negative marking is there plus 4 minus 1, but negative marking की चिंता नहीं करने का guys. जितने questions आपको आते हैं, suppose from English you will solve around 20 questions, 20, 20 and 20. Okay, 80 questions you solved. Okay, now you can easily score 320 marks out of 400 and 320 मिल गया guys. That means top college 99.99 percentile आपने स्कोर कर लिया है. Definitely you can enter into the top most institute जहां से आपको प्लेसमेंट पैकेजेस काफी अच्छे मिलने वाले. राइट गाइस, सो दैट्स व्हाई एक स्ट्रेटजी प्लान करना है CMAT के लिए. डोंट वरी अबाउट द स्ट्रेटजी वीडियो. वन मोर वीडियो विल बी कम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द स्ट्रेटजी हाउ टू क्रैक द CMAT 2022. Okay guys, so total 10,000 plus questions in the practice, lot of data for the practice purpose. You will get the live class, pre-recorded class to make your base strong, and the doubt solving class. You will get the mentorship by the exam experts and the toppers, so you will learn lot of things from the toppers and the experts. Syllabus will be taught such as English, quant, general knowledge and logical reasoning, and where major focus will be on the general knowledge part because यहाँ student काफी mistake करते हैं. Thereafter reading comprehension, because this is your scoring area. You can score maximum marks here. And thereafter quant and DI, because यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा mistakes होती है. You have to learn the shortcut tricks here. Okay guys, so after result you will get complete guidance for the admission process such as the GD, BAT and PI and whatever selection criteria each respective institute will include. And we regularly carry out the quiz workout, strategy building sessions and the chief mentor sessions. So you will learn a lot of things from there. Toppers interaction and various podcasts we already publish on our YouTube channel. You can watch all those videos and you will learn a lot of things such as what is the strategy and how was their plan to crack that particular entrance exam. So to get all live class videos, books, mock tests, mentorship, admission process, all these features, call on 8285 or you can visit our website manual.com/MBA-entrance. So these all are the top colleges, their respective scores and the percentile. Look at the scores guys, 330 plus, 310, 300, 295, 285, 277 and the percentile 99.99, 99.96, 99.2, 99.1, 98.5. Jamnalal Bajaj, Signum, KJ Somaya, Wellinger, Goa, NL Dalmia, Great Lakes, SIS, Pumba, and IFMR, Chennai. Okay guys, so these all are the respective colleges, their respective cutoff. And now, wanna help to crack the CMAT exam and to get the ticket to enter into this particular college? Guys, don't worry. You can call on respective numbers or visit our website manual.com/MBA-entrance. So for all exam updates and notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's it guys. All link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check all those links. And also I'm providing a Google form in the description. So guys, kindly fill that Google form. So you will get a free counseling session from our experts. So that's it from the today's video guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.